A necessary one, a spoken poetry inspired by the third way of St. Thomas Aquinas to prove God's existence by Brother Emmanuel Almeria SDB from Don Bosco Post-Novitiate Canlubang. A fading world, star rise and fall, trees bloom then wither, lives begin and end. We live in a world of change, a world of things that come and go. They exist, but they don't have to. They're contingent, dependent, temporary. And if everything were like that, if all things could vanish, then once upon a time, nothing would have existed. No light, no breath, no love, no you, and no me. But something does exist right now, which means there must be something that cannot not exist. A being that doesn't depend, does not fade, does not begin, does not end. A necessary one, not cause, not contingent, not a flicker in time. He simply is the ground being, the reason behind the stars, the flame that never dies, God, the one who holds all things together, the one who must exist so that anything can exist. And in Him, we find our meaning, our breath, our hope, and our why. A necessary one, and He is love. A necessary one, spoken poetry inspired by the third way of St. Thomas Aquinas to prove God's existence. Thank you.